Fine. It's not too much. So we're heading to township. Okay, so after that, we're going to see the governor and then the governor. So what will we do now? Now, please. No, excuse me, Commissioner, allow him to finish. Yes, go ahead.
Because initially this side belongs to the College of Education.
Okay.
There is a problem between the College of Education and the state. We don't get the side high.
Okay. So when did we get this land? When were you given the land? Yes, when were you given the land?
Sir, the site was received
21st December.
2011.
21st December.
2011.
How many months now?
It was mobilized to site 18 January 2012.
This is April.
Yes.
So it took you from January for about 2 months and
so
for you to still be on foundation level.
We commenced fencing, excavation of fencing on the 17th of February.
No, but you can start from fencing. That does not mean they can't have only building. This is not fair. And when you're supposed to hand over this by June, how can it be possible? January, February, March, April, 4 months, it takes you to the foundation level, and then you have May, June. So how will you use May, June to finish? Yes.
Yes, sir.
This is not acceptable, please. This is not acceptable. You know the importance Mr. President attaches to this Almajiri. You think we will leave Abuja to come to this place and then this is what we see?
We are sorry, sir. We expect that action.
No, but you have to summon the contractor. I will not accept this at all. It's unacceptable. Now you are telling me that at the time you got last since December, and you wanted to blame the state government for not giving land on time. What are the challenges? Well, what security?
Sometimes if we want to bring materials, there is the only route to this place, and there are so many problems sometimes here and there.
What are the problems now? What are the problems? What are the security challenges?
Instability of the security technology.
As you are working here, how many people have they taken away?
No, before we got material so it was to this place. This is only material.
This is the last time I will hear this. But you don't be in our office and then think that things are what nothing will happen. No, you don't need to sorry. It's not a question of sorry. It's a question of you being competent. And
We do our best on this without action.
We are going to one sir. This model.
And this is, how are you? This is the Commissioner for Basic and the Chairman of
Secondary
Counterpart funding.
Correct, sir. Yes, sir. Part of the counterpart funding.
This is Boko Haram.
No, we don't do, sir.
It's unfortunate. It's unfortunate.
In one school, and there are 10 schools. So, but you have seen, and they are all the counterpart. Yes.
And all of them were
Completed, beautifully furnished, nice.
Because we have to do something immediately. We can't allow these children to suffer this way.
Sorry, okay.
It has to be done immediately.
Okay, sir.
So liaise with the commissioner in charge of basic education, so that we'll be able to see how we can intervene immediately in order to send back our children back to the classrooms. There's no way they can have quality of education under this kind of atmosphere. It's not possible. It's not possible.
And this will completed, furnished, everything.
Thank you.
Welcome, sir.
Thank you. 40 days and 1 month and
Yes, almost 1 month. Yes, 10 days.
so in the next 1 month you think you'll finish?
So we are expecting to finish the work in the next maybe 2 weeks. Because we have already started the flashback.
You can't finish 2 weeks.
4 weeks later.
But you have the contractor. Now,
Yes.
you think that this work can be finished before next 1 week, next 1 month?
Before next 1 month?
Yes.
Yes, it's possible. It can be finished. Because the aluminium sheet, they are already supplied. It's only the installation of the aluminium sheet.
Well, you try to, because you know that Mr. President is quite passionate about this project, and we believe that by June we should be handing over some of these projects to the state government.
Yes, sir.
Because of the attention must be given to this program. You know, the Almajiri education is very special to Mr. President, and so we believe that we should put more efforts.
Yes, sir.
Also, about that model 2, the main problem that caused the delay of the project is the security situation of this area. The contractor complained that to us, that he is having difficulties in carrying the material to the site, and it also caused him delay.
Did you report to the super in the state?
Yes, we have reported it.
No.
The state,
I'm-
there
I'm-
is Abuja.
okay.
They have sent it to
Abuja.
our last report. on
Yeah,
the
but
Almajiri
but,
report.
but but again, you have a superb here, which of course ought to be the eye of the UBEC in Abuja. So if you don't report to them, how would they? What will Abuja do? You should report to them, because they will benefit from the project directly. Because if the Almajiri is here in Borno, so if you have any problem, they should know first and be able to assist you.
Yes, sir.
So if you have such further problems, please do report to them.
Yes, sir.
And I do know the professor will be able to give you some assistance.
Yes, sir.
So anyway,
Television. What is your assessment of the project so far this stage?
for what I've seen here now, I'm happy that in the next 1 month this project will be completed. But the first project we saw, we are not happy about it at all. Yes, they have complained about the security situation, and that is why we have come to see things for ourselves. We believe that now the security situation is improving, that the contractor should be able to expedite and put in more efforts so that that project will be completed as soon as possible. Because all of us know how passionate this program and this project is to Mr. President. He has made promise and he is always willing to fulfill his promises. So we decided to come to Borno State to see things for ourselves and to see what we can do to making sure that the project is completed on time. And we believe that with what the consultant has told us, we'll be able to meet the target, particularly this model. But if they put more efforts to the other one, we think that by the grace of God, June, we'll be able to be there to hand over the schools to the state government.
Sir, what about the board school that we saw?
It's quite passionate. It's happening that people will be so violent and try to punish innocent citizens who may not have contributed to any problem. You have seen our children.